one of my favorite and most famous recipes on YouTube. Today we will make the famous chicken and potato casserole with the delicious and yummy sauce. This recipe is very suitable for family and friends gatherings. Imagine this delicious mix: chicken, potato, and mushroom dipped in a delicious sauce, topped with melted cheese. You should try this recipe. Start by cutting 7 medium-sized potatoes into cubes like this, sprinkle some salt and add vegetable oil as desired. Into a preheated oven for 40 minutes or until they take a golden color. Meanwhile, fry 1 onion, then put 5 crushed garlic cloves and half a kilogram of chicken breast. Cut it into cubes and fry it until it takes this color and it's fully cooked. Now add 1 can of mushroom, cut it into thin slices. Add 2 tablespoons tomato paste and you can add later to the taste. 2 teaspoons of curry powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried basil or oregano. Rub it in your hand in order to give a stronger flavor. Add some salt to the taste. And now mix all the ingredients together. Let the tomato paste fry a little bit, it will give a more delicious flavor. Now add 3 cups of cooking cream. Let it boil a little bit and mix all the ingredients together. I will add 1 extra tablespoon of tomato paste and 1 cup of water. The water is optional, it depends on the thickness of the cream you have. Add the water gradually until you reach this texture. Now the potatoes are ready. I will put it on a paper to absorb all the extra oil. Then distribute the potatoes evenly in a large casserole. And of course you can deep fry the potatoes if you don't want to put it in the oven. Now add the sauce and the chicken on the potatoes like this. It looks so yummy and delicious, and of course you will like it when you will try it. Make sure to distribute all the sauce all over the potatoes. Now on the top, distribute some mozzarella cheese or any type of cheese you have. Now put it in a preheated oven for 15 minutes. This way we are reheating all the ingredients, then broil it on the top for the cheese to take a color. Our yummy lunch is ready now to be served. I can assure you from now everyone will ask you for the recipe and everyone will be surprised by the taste and the flavor of this casserole. By this time the potatoes has absorbed some of the sauce, so they are so yummy and tender from the inside. And when you eat it with the chicken, mushroom and the melted cheese, it's a yummy bite. Try this recipe and let me know your opinion. I'm sure you will like it inshallah. صحتين وهنا.